It's hot. The steam is flying from it.
Calls my name. You play my heart like a sweet refrain.
Alright guys, so
You don't like the video yet?
go ahead and make some brown stew chicken, and that's gonna be served with boiled dumpling and green banana. So guys, already have my vegetables all washed, clean, cut up, and my onion, carrots, green pepper, yellow pepper, and my scallion. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and have them all diced or cut up, whichever way you want to say it, guys. And guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Like the video, press that thumbs up button, guys. And I have the patty in the pastry or the dough, whichever one, guys, in the freezer chilling.
You don't like the video yet?
As you can see, I have my seasonings also right on the side, guys. As you know, I never cook without my garlic. It's the best thing to cook with the ginger. I have to go shorten this cutter. It's got it slow. I like when it runs. Yes, guys, I want to thank Miriam Lawrence, Debbie, my new subscriber. I want to give a special shout out to Debbie, guys. Go over Debbie channel and support his channel, guys. That's Deb's Kitchen Vlogs. And thank you for reaching 5,000 subscribers. I'll continue making the epic videos, guys. Each one help one, guys. We're not gonna support only one person. It's a whole fraternity. Can't be bigging up one person and just leaving your channel out because they're not promoting your channel, advertising, whatever you want to call it. I'm on my onion now, guys. You know, they are already washed, guys, so no need to worry. They're all washed. So I'm gonna put that aside.
You don't like the video yet?
And then I'm gonna bring my chicken. I'm gonna add some salt. You all know how to season this brown stew. And I have my ground black pepper. Then I have my chicken season. And then I have my Maggi. That should be good. And guys, my browning, I'm gonna add it last. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm gonna use a spoon. I'm not gonna use my hand. I love using gloves, but I'd rather to use my spoon or my hand. Wash after every use. It's more hygienic. But for cooking using the gloves, guys, you'd have to use a whole pack of gloves. If not, you're gonna be doing cross-contamination. And how often do we change our glove? use it to touch the meat, then the vegetable, or we change after each use. It's about being hygienic, guys. So guys, today we ain't gonna use no oil to stew the chicken. Now I'm adding my browning. So I'm gonna go ahead and have it all mixed up. And guys, I have my pot on the fire heating up because I'm not using no oil. With this chicken, I'm not gonna use the oil. I already have my garlic mince. As you know, I always use the garlic and add it to the oil to get the flavor. So I'm gonna add a little bit more browning. So that should be good. And that's a tablespoon and a half of browning, guys, to a pound and a half of chicken. Alright guys, as you can see, pretty. So stay tuned guys while we get it on the fire.
You don't like the video yet?
Alright guys, let's check in on the progress of the chicken without no oil. Ooh, guys, you see that? You don't have to have too much cholesterol. So see guys, you don't literally have to fill your pot with oil. As you see, I didn't add any. And it's looking lovely. Alright guys, so at this point in time, I'm gonna go add my natural seasoning. And here you can see my thyme, my onion, carrots, sweet pepper, guys. And then guys, I actually use the water from the base of my chicken, which was being left over. So now I'm gonna just evenly distribute it, guys. Oh, guys, if you haven't tried cooking the chicken without oil, try it this way. Healthy, and I know it's delicious. There's thyme trying to come out the pot, but thyme is the master. You have to stay inside of there. Alright guys, you know who is that in the background, staying close. Alright guys, like, share and subscribe guys. Epic. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see,
You don't like the video yet?
alright guys, as you can see, my water is boiling and I have my dough right here for my dumpling. And I did add my salt. And sorry guys, I make the dough off the camera. I know you guys know how to make the dough for the boiled dumpling by now. So guys, I'm just making simple, biteable size boiled dumpling. And if you haven't checked the stuffed boiled dumpling video out guys, it's on the channel. And with my dumpling, I'm gonna have some green banana. And then I have my dough for the patty ready guys. So after this I edit. And please remember to like, share and subscribe guys.
you don't like the video yet.
Yes, guys. So how do you guys make your dumpling, guys? How do you make your dumpling? Do you guys use the big Johnny cake? The roly-poly? Or you guys stick to the bite-over size, dinner-size dumplings? Hold on, guys. You still haven't liked the video? And I don't want you guys to be counting the dumpling, guys, because I'm not sure how much I put. I just start making it, dropping it. I know you guys may be on the camera watching and counting. It's not good to count dumpling. So anyone you see make the exact dumpling, they count it. Okay, it can't be 5 of us and every one of us got 3. They count the dumpling. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. And if you're a new person watching my channel, welcome to the Greens Family Lifestyle TV, guys.
Chicken smell nice.
Chicken smell nice, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. As you can see, the chicken, guys, no oil. If you check the gravy, the sauce, whatever, you don't see no oil, guys. More healthier. So guys, I don't know if you guys ever cook the chicken like this. If you do, please leave it in the comment and tell me how you normally have your brown stew chicken, with a lot of oil, with no oil, or with a little bit of oil. Alright, guys, so stay tuned, guys, while we have the food plated and taste test, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Alright, guys, there you have it. Already plated the finished product, which is the boiled dumpling and the brown stew chicken with the boiled green bananas. As you can see, guys, it's hot. The steam is flying from it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. And remember, guys, we have the patty. After this, we're gonna do the taste test for the patty and let you guys see the finished product and the result and see the turnout of that patty. Guys, this chicken without the oil, I think it's more healthier, which it is. So from now on, I'll mix it up a little bit. So guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.